What makes Dubai one of the world's most sought-after investment destinations, and where does its next big opportunity lie? Could this exclusive island be the future of luxury living in Dubai? Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Venu Rehan from Unique Zone Real Estate. Today I'm thrilled to introduce one of the Dubai's most promising investment opportunities, Bay Grove Residences. But before diving into the details, let's take a closer look at Dubai Islands and the visionary developer behind this masterpiece. Developed by Nakheel, the masterminds behind iconic landmarks like the Farm Jumeirah, Farm Jebel Ali and Ibn Battuta Mall, Dubai Islands is their latest groundbreaking project. This expansive development spans 5 breathtaking islands, boasting over 60 kilometers of waterfront, pristine beaches, a blue flag certified shoreline cultural hubs, and luxury resorts. In line with Dubai's 2040 Urban Master Plan, Dubai Island is redefining waterfront living, reinforcing Dubai's position as a global destination for residents and investors alike. This visionary project consists of 5 unique islands, each designed to offer a blend of luxury wellness and community living. Island A, the vibrant heart of Dubai Islands with mixed-use developments, luxury hotels, residential apartments, marina and a cultural district. Island B, a lively hub of beachfront resorts and low-density residential communities, featuring scenic promenade sports facilities and recreational parks. Island C, known as Oasis Island, blending ecotourism with family resorts, golf courses and wellness-focused neighborhoods. Island D, the Sports Country Club Island, with 9-hole golf course, aquatic sports, horseback riding and exclusive low-density residential estates. Island E, the pinnacle of luxury, featuring signature waterfront estates, private marinas and exclusive beachfront villas. Aligned with Dubai's sustainability goals, 60% of Dubai Island will be dedicated to nature reserves and open spaces, including lush parks, golf courses and eco-friendly designs, prioritizing pedestrian-friendly pathways, cycling routes and multi-modal transport networks. Hospitality and leisure, over 16,000 hotel keys ranging from boutique resorts to luxury hotels ensure a wide variety of accommodations. Recreational facilities, multiple golf courses, marinas, sports clubs and wellness enclaves offer world-class amenities for residents and visitors. Cultural and community spaces, cultural district malls and community parks foster vibrant and inclusive environments for all. Launched in 2022, Dubai Islands quickly gained momentum with the successful sale of Bay Villas, townhouses and villas that sold out in record time. Following this, Nakheel introduced Rixos Hotels and Residences, offering waterfront developments including 1, 2 and 3 bedroom apartments and luxury villas, all of which sold out rapidly. With the direct beach access, stunning marine views and resort-style amenities, Dubai Islands is setting a new standard for premium waterfront living. As Dubai Islands elevates luxury living with world-class residences, Bay Grove Residences emerges as its next prime opportunity. Nakheel introduces Phase 3 featuring Building 5, 6 and 7, designed with contemporary architecture, premium amenities and breathtaking Arabian Gulf views. This exclusive retreat offers panoramic vistas, resort-style pools and a private beach club, delivering a lifestyle of pure elegance and relaxation. Whether it's the soothing sound of the waves, a refreshing swim or simply soaking in the views, living by the sea is a luxury like no other. Bay Grove Residences at Dubai Islands is designed for those who seek the ultimate waterfront lifestyle, where vibrant city energy meets serene beachfront living. Bay Grove Residences, located in the Marina district of Dubai Islands, offers elegant apartments designed for both families and individuals. Enjoy unique features such as lush boardwalk, raised ocean pool, family-friendly play areas and scenic biking and walking paths. With stunning sea views and seamless connectivity just 10 minutes from Dubai International Airport, 15 minutes to downtown Dubai and 6 minutes from the Infinity Bridge. Bay Grove combines city convenience with island tranquility. Positioned on the last island closest to Deira, it offers easy access to key landmarks while maintaining an exclusive beachfront lifestyle. Bay Grove Residences offers a selection of luxurious apartments designed for various lifestyle. One-bedroom apartment range from 861 to 1,354 square feet, starting at 82 million, ideal for singles and young professionals. Two-bedroom apartments range from 1,282 to 3,851 square feet, starting at 82.8 million, while two-bedroom units with a maid's room starts at 83.4 million, offering extra space for families. Three-bedroom apartments starting from 2,120 square feet to 3,884 square feet, with price starting at 84.8 million, catering to larger families. For the ultimate in luxury, four-bedroom penthouses range from 3,405 to 3,797 square feet, featuring expansive layouts and panoramic views, with the prices starting at 88.8 million. Each residence as Bay Grove seamlessly integrates elegant interiors with outdoor living featuring expansive terraces that capture stunning city skyline or tranquil waterfront views. Ample storage and expansive terraces overlooking the infinity pool add to the charm, making Bay Grove Residences the perfect sanctuary for relaxation and comfort. The payment plan includes a 20% down payment plus a 4% Dubai land department fees, followed by 50% during construction. The remaining 30% is due upon handover, which is March 2029. Living at Bay Grove offers more than just a home. It's a lifestyle centered on connection and relaxation. The thoughtfully designed interconnected buildings and shared spaces promote interaction, fostering a sense of community. Exclusive amenities such as the resort-style pool and dedicated spaces for social events ensure there's always something to do. Whether you are unwinding or engaging with neighbors, at Bay Grove, luxury and community come together to create a vibrant, connected living experience. Bay Grove Residences offers a unique investment opportunity where urban sophistication meets coastal charm. For investors, this means not only owning part of the Dubai's most exclusive beachfront developments, but also securing a high-value asset in a rapid-growing community. High demand for waterfront properties. Waterfront properties consistently attract high demand, and Bay Grove's prime location guarantees sustained interest from international buyers. This translates to strong rental yields and long-term appreciation, making it an ideal investment for both immediate returns and future growth. With its emphasis on sustainability, nature and wellness, Bay Grove is a future-proof investment. As Dubai continues to grow in appeal, properties like Bay Grove are set to remain in the high demand, ensuring a steady increase in property values. Dubai Islands offers premium waterfront developments and resort-style living, presenting significant growth potential. With Dubai's expanding population and rising demand for luxury properties, Bay Grove Residences promises strong capital appreciation and high rental yields. Backed by Nakhil's expertise, this is more than just a home, it's a smart investment in a luxurious lifestyle. With the launch of Phase 3, this is a rare opportunity to own a piece of Dubai's finest real estate. At Unique Zone, we bring you more than just properties. We deliver dreams. Since 2010, our insider market insights have empowered clients to make bold, informed decisions with personalized guidance that unveils both the dazzling benefits and the real challenges of every investment. Whether you are exploring residential heavens, dynamic commercial spaces, or niche opportunities like sales, resales, mortgages, and Airbnb management, our bespoke one-stop solutions are designed to save your time, money, and endless headaches. Thank you for joining today's presentation and discovering why our location, projects, and community are the talk of Dubai's elite. For a deeper dive into the development, floor plans, and incredible potential returns, please reach out using the contact details below mentioned. Let Unique Zone turn your dream home into a reality, because in Dubai's world of luxury real estate, you deserve nothing but the best. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share our YouTube channel for the latest updates and exclusive insights to Dubai's most coveted properties. This is Leo Rehan from Unique Zone Real Estate, signing off.